welcome back to my channel. Kristina Angelina here. Thanks for coming back. So I have not done a hair related video in a very long time, and I'm excited to show you guys Fanola's newest launch. You guys know I rant about Fanola all the time. I have nothing but positive things to say about their products, their team. Everything is A+. Everything you need to take care of your hair is with Fanola. So I'm really excited to share with you their no orange vegan formula of their shampoo and mask, which is a super big deal if you are someone who has bleached, blonde, highlighted hair. We all deal with our yellow brassy moments and it's not pretty, but Fanola is always there to rescue us. So I have here their no orange mask and their shampoo. So these are now 100% vegan. I know a lot of people are going to be excited about that. Now I tested this out. I will be putting either a video here or just cutting off into the video of me washing my hair with these products. So as you'll see in the beginning of the video, my hair wasn't it wasn't crazy brassy, and that's another thing. Let me get more into the product before I go into the video of me using it. Now, you do not have to have orange hair to use these products. If you have bleached hair, you can still use the no orange. You don't necessarily have to stick to the no yellow. You can actually use these. Now, in my demos or in my experience, the no yellow will actually give you more of a gray. I wanted to zoom you out a little bit. I felt like we was a little too close. Now, the no yellow, in my opinion, gives you more of a gray, silver, possibly lilac tone. If you leave it in too long, you will get the lilac, but it's not staining to the hair. It literally will wash out. I get a lot of questions about like how to get it out your hair. Literally wash your hair one more time, two more times using regular your basic shampoo. If you left it in a very long time and it's very lilac, then you'd want to use like a clarifying shampoo or Head and Shoulders. I guarantee you in a couple washes it'll be out, if not by the first. With the no orange, I found my hair to get a lot more white, icy. Now if you have orange hair, if you use this, not to say that you have like born with orange red hair, it'll change. I'm saying more if you have blonde hair, blonde, not on the whiter side, that when you have blonde hair, it tends to get more of that brassy orange tone. That's when you'll want to use this. But again, it's not to make your hair white, it's to tone down the orange tones and give you more of that blonde look. This will work on white hair or gray hair or yellow hair and give you more of an icier look. I feel like there's a lot of misconceptions that these shampoos are like dye and they're supposed to like work and change the entire color of your hair. No, it's just getting rid of some tones that we all have in our hair to help you get a cleaner, brighter hair color. So if you have that blonde, it's going to give you a nice more of a, to me a blonde is more like of a yellow, right? It's just a very toned down mellow yellow. If you want it to be an ashy blonde, then you can use the no purple shampoo as well. But yeah, this has definitely helped my hair. You're gonna see in the video now, my hair wasn't too yellow, it wasn't too brassy, it was more of a beige, and I don't like when it gets beige. And you notice it more often when I do have a two-tone color going on, that you'll kind of see that it's not white. And then you can even see when the hair is wet. I did half and half, so I did one side with the no orange and one side with nothing, and then I moved into the shampoo and put it all over my head, and I used the mask, so I'm gonna show you both. And you could see it did give me more of a whiter color than the beige. It does look a bit, I had to like double check, it looks a little more silvery and white, which is absolutely amazing. And when I say silvery, and gray in the no yellow. It's more of a deeper silver, which I love. I love the white, I love the gray, I love the silver. As long as I'm anywhere in that spectrum, I am A+. So you can see that my hair is a lot whiter. It is a lot cleaner. What I will say in regards to, you know, what's the difference between the old no orange and the new no orange, right? In my opinion, I like the vegan formula better. And I find that also with the no yellow. I find the vegan formulas much better. They work much better. And when I say they work better, what do you mean? I find them to be less potent in a good way. Meaning you're not really gonna get those light. Let's focus on the no orange because I keep talking about no yellow. You're not going to get those blue tones. Now, the no orange shampoo is more of a blue toned shampoo and mask, as the no yellow is purple. So this is more on the blue side. And I noticed when I would use the other one on my hair, if I did leave it too long, I would get that blue tinge. Do I care? No, it looks nice. Hey, I got blue hair for a couple days. Am I saying like hot blue, like bright blue hair? No, you just have a little bit more of a blue tint to it, that's all. This, I didn't get any blue tint. I used both and I didn't get any blue tint. In the beginning, you'll see that my hands were stained, which is the norm for using any of these shampoos. My hands looked really, really blue, but towards the end, they washed out. With the other ones, I felt like it stayed in my fingernails. I feel like it stayed on my fake nails. I feel like it stayed on my hands. Not too noticeable, but you know it's there because you know what you just did. Overall, I really recommend this product. It's perfect if you have any sort of bleached hair. If you have blonde hair, white hair, gray hair, silver hair, it's going to work really, really well. It's not going to give you that tinge. It's not going to give you that tint of blue unless, again, you're leaving it in for a very long time. And I think in the video you can see I left it in, you know, not for like 10 seconds. I probably left it in for a minute or two while I'm recording, and it still didn't leave me with that blue tinge. And that's something that I did struggle with in the old one. I'll probably do a more updated video as far as when it's almost time for me to bleach, probably in the next week or so. You guys know I love using them when I've done fresh bleached hair, because it does most of the time eliminate the need for me to use an actual toner. Sometimes I'm good with bleach, wash my hair with these shampoos, and I'm good to go with a light blonde or ashy white, and that's exactly what I like. The less processed, the less products, the better. So let's just jump right into the video. If you haven't if you have any questions for me, comments for me, please leave them down below. If you have any suggestions on any other products you'd like me to try before, you know, you try it, so I'm your guinea pig, take advantage now. Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.